Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I know you always been wanting to do something different with that boring potato salad. I'm gonna show you guys how to kick up the flavor with this Nashville hot pickled potato salad. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. Let's do a quick rundown of today's ingredients. We have our red potatoes here, and I just cut them into like bite-sized chunks like this. We have our celery diced and chopped. We have our eggs, we boiled them, chopped them up. Pickles diced and chopped. And here we got some pickled jalapenos. Now, this is optional. You don't have to put those in there, but since it's hot, Nashville hot, I want to put a little spice into it. We have our chopped dill here, mayo, some pickle juice. Also, I'm adding some crumbled bacon. Right here, we have a red onion, Dijon Mustard, some white vinegar, and right here we have our Nashville Hot Seasoning, which is really gonna bring that flavor out of this potato salad. So, it's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so right here we have a pot of water that's coming up to boil. We're gonna add a tablespoon of salt here. We're gonna start adding our potatoes. We're gonna bring this up to boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until those potatoes are tender. So let's get it up to boil, and then we're gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we're about 15 minutes in. We're gonna turn our heat off. All we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the potatoes and we're gonna come right back. All right, so now that I've drained our potatoes, this is what we have right here. Now, what we're gonna do, you wanna make sure that you cool this completely before you go into the next step. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, let this cool down completely, then we're gonna come right back, all right? All right, so while we allow our potatoes to cool, we're gonna prepare our mayonnaise dressing. So you wanna take an empty dish and you wanna add your mayo, our pickle juice, vinegar, Dijon mustard, and our Nashville hot seasoning. And we're gonna get this mixed in. And guys, you can adjust this for seasoning. It's totally up to you. You don't have to use that much Nashville hot. It's totally up to you, or you can use more to your preference. Once we get that mixed up, we're gonna add our red onions and our dill. And we're gonna fold that in. All right, this is what we have. So now we're just gonna sit this aside in the refrigerator, allow it to chill, and we're gonna come back in maybe about 2 hours once those potatoes are completely cool, maybe a little less. Now that our potatoes have cooled, we're just gonna start just folding in all the ingredients. We're gonna add our mayo dressing here. We're gonna come behind that with our potatoes. And we're gonna get that stirred in just a little. And once we just stirred a little, we're gonna come in with our eggs. Get that a nice little stir just a little bit too. And guys, you can dump all this in if you want to, one at a time. All together, but I just like to do mine one at a time, kind of get all evened out. Let's add our celery. I'm gonna add our jalapenos to here. And our bacon. And we're gonna get that final mix together here. And guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and get this baby plated up, and so we can get into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Nashville hot pickled potato salad. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control and do a taste test. All right, quality control, man. Let's bring this potato salad to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. It looks so good. Oh, man. Oh, buddy. This is a potato salad with some crunch and a little kick. The crunch coming from the celery and the bacon, and you already know the kick coming from that Nashville Hot. And some of them jalapenos. Guys, a must try for the next get together. Just something to switch it up a little bit and step that kick up to your potato salad. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. That boy good.